Humidity is a significant issue in your crawl space. The high moisture levels can lead to mold growth and wood rot, affecting the structural integrity of your home. Mold and mildew growth. Excess humidity creates a damp environment that is conducive to the growth of mold and mildew. These fungi can release spores and mycotoxins into the air, potentially leading to indoor air quality issues and health problems for occupants. Mold, mildew, and pest infestations associated with humid crawl spaces can exacerbate respiratory problems and allergies in occupants, particularly those with sensitivities. Odor and mustiness. Humid crawl spaces often develop musty odors, which can permeate into the living spaces above. These odors can be unpleasant and affect indoor air quality. Wood rot. High humidity levels can lead to wood rot in structural components of the crawl space, such as floor joists and subflooring. This can compromise the structural integrity of the building. Prolonged exposure to high humidity levels can lead to structural damage, including rotting wood, rusted metal components, and deteriorating concrete. Repairing such damage can be costly. Pest infestations. Many pests, including termites, ants, and rodents, are attracted to moist environments. A humid crawl space can provide an ideal breeding ground for these pests, leading to infestations that can spread to the rest of the home. What can a moisture barrier, also known as a vapor barrier, do to alleviate humidity issues? Moisture barrier creates a barrier to prevent moisture from the ground and walls from entering the crawl space or basement. Reduces mold and mildew. By controlling moisture, it inhibits the growth of mold and mildew, improving indoor air quality. Prevents wood rot. Helps preserve structural integrity by reducing the risk of wood rot and decay in floor joists and subflooring. Pest deterrent. Reduces the attraction of pests like termites and rodents, preventing infestations. Improved insulation. Enhances the effectiveness of insulation, leading to energy savings and better temperature control. Odor control. Minimizes musty odors associated with excess humidity, creating a more pleasant living environment. Health benefits. Reducing moisture and mold can contribute to better respiratory health and allergy management for occupants. Long-term solution. Provides long-lasting protection and requires minimal maintenance when properly installed. How to select the best crawl space liner. Is thickness more important, or the liner's ability to retard vapor permeance through the liner? Just because a liner is thick does not mean it will stop moisture from coming up into the crawl space or basement. ASTME 1745 classifies plastic vapor retarders, which are used to control moisture and prevent water vapor transmission in various construction applications, into 3 classes: Class A, Class B, and Class C. These classifications are based on the material's permeance properties and are important for selecting the appropriate vapor retarder for specific applications. Class A offers the highest resistance to moisture transmission and is recommended for applications requiring stringent moisture control, such as crawl spaces and basements. Class B offers moderate resistance and is suitable for applications where some moisture control is needed, but not the highest level. Class C has the highest permeance and is used in applications where moisture control is not a primary consideration. The choice of vapor retarder class depends on the specific requirements of the construction project and the desired level of moisture protection. Lining your crawl space is a critical project that demands precision because getting it right the first time is paramount. Any need for rework can prove to be not only costly but also unnecessarily disruptive. Crawl space issues, such as moisture infiltration, mold growth, and structural damage, can be prevented with careful research and consultation with experts. Consulting professionals like Global Plastic Sheeting can provide invaluable guidance on selecting the most suitable liner for your specific situation. Their expertise ensures that the liner will effectively control moisture and protect your home, sparing you the expense and inconvenience of potential redoing. It's a project where informed decisions pay off in long-term peace of mind and preservation of your property's integrity. Call GPS at 866-5979-98 today.